Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make grape mojito at home easy method. Muddle grapes, mint, and sugar until fragrant and slightly broken. Add lime juice and pour in rum, then taste and adjust sweetness. Fill the glass with crushed ice and stir gently to chill and combine flavors. Top with club soda for fizz and garnish with a mint sprig and a halved grape for a pretty finish. Gather everything on your counter so you can move quickly once mixing starts. Fresh grapes give the best flavor, and white rum keeps the cocktail bright and light. If you prefer non-alcoholic, substitute the rum with extra club soda or a splash of ginger ale. Keep your mint leaves whole until muddling to avoid bitterness. Use a sturdy glass and a muddler or the end of a wooden spoon for best extraction. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and handles crumbs from happy cocktail nights. It even dodges sticky mint leaves, which is oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a cleaner kitchen faster, this might help. Now let's get back to the video. Start by gently muddling grapes and mint with sugar to release aromatic oils and juice. Pour in lime juice and then add rum, stirring to dissolve the sugar and marry the flavors. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity if needed before adding crushed ice. Finish by topping with club soda and giving a gentle stir so the fizz lifts the aromas. Garnish with a mint sprig and a grape slice for a fresh presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.